Hey, welcome back to Office with Amos, the channel where we make Excel fast, simple, and honestly a little fun. Now, today I want to ask you something. How much time do you spend every single day just formatting your Excel spreadsheets? Adjusting column widths, wrapping text, making borders look clean. If you're doing all of these manually, clicking through ribbons and menus, I promise you are losing a lot of hours every week. And today I'm going to fix that. In this video, I'm breaking down 4 keyboard shortcuts that will completely change how you format in Excel. Whether you are brand new to Excel or you have been using it for years, you are going to want to save this one. And if you're new here, welcome, and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the Excel tips. We drop new videos every week. Let's start with one of the most used formatting option in Excel, wrap text. When you have a long sentence in Excel in a cell and it just bleeds into the next cell. Super annoying, right? Wrap text fixes that by making the text stay inside the cell and expand the row height instead. Now, most people go all the way up to the home tab, click the wrap text button. That's fine, but watch this. I'm going to select this entire column of description. I'll hold shift, then use the arrow keys to highlight all the cells. Now I just press alt, then H, then W. Boom. Every cell wraps instantly. Now here's the power move. If you want to remove the wrap text from the cells, just select them and press the same shortcut again. Alt plus H plus W, and it toggles right back off. No clicking required. When you're dealing with the header rows, wrap text is the best friend. It keeps your headers readable without making your columns unnecessarily wide. Huge time saver, right? So now we have wrapped our text great, but sometimes after wrapping, your rows look weird. Some are too tall, some are too short. Instead of manually dragging each row to the right height, here is what you do. Select all the rows by pressing Ctrl and plus A. Select everything. Now press Alt, H, O, then A simultaneously. Watch what happens. Every row just snaps to the perfect height automatically. Excel looked at your content, figured out how tall each row needs to be, and adjusted it. It all understood in just under a second. This is especially powerful when you are working with data that has mixed content. Some rows have a single line, others have 3 lines or 4 lines of wrapped text, auto fit, row height, handles, all of these in one shot. Next, we are going to cover auto fit column width by using this shortcut, Alt, H, O, then I. Watch this. Some of my columns are way too wide, wasting space. Others are too narrow and cutting off names and numbers. I'll select the most of the sheet again by pressing Ctrl A, then press Alt H O I simultaneously. Every single column is now perfectly sized to its content. No guesswork, no manual dragging, and your spreadsheet suddenly looks like a professional built-in. Even if you just threw the data together 5 minutes ago, use AutoFit column and AutoFit row height together, back to back. Every time you finish entering or pasting data, it takes 2 seconds and makes everything look clean immediately. Make it a habit. All right, the big one, the borders. This is what separates a spreadsheet that looks like a rough draft from the one that looks professional. Most people either skip borders entirely or they go to the border menu and spend way too long picking options. But this is the time saver. Alt H B, Alt H B plus A applies borders to every single cell in your selection all at once. I'm going to select my data range. I'll use Ctrl Shift and N to select from my first cell way to the last cell with data. Now I press Alt HBA. Look at that. Clean professional grid lines around every cell. The data is now easy to read, easy to scan, and ready to print or share.